everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to load dockets using your mobile application for tracking steel components. So first you need to make sure you got your RFID reader with your smartphone. So everything needs to be linked, Bluetooth link, and that's explained in a different video. So once you have this, you just need to go to your dockets, right, and then hit on synchronize, right? Okay, so first of all, you need to make sure that when you are scanning, you are at the right location. If you are not, you will be having issues like this. So I just click on number 4, trying to load docket number 4, open dockets. So it will be stuck in this cycle verifying location. Basically because the coordinates are not correct, like we are not in the place that we should be scanning these items. So I'm just going to get out of this cycle by shutting that application, just because it's going to stay there. I'm just going back to the app. Okay, so now we're just going to open the app again, go to dockets, synchronize, and we're going to try to load this docket here, number 28 in our web app. So we are at the right location, like the coordinates, latitude and longitude are correct. So we are at the place that our supervisor require us to be. So I just mark number 28, open docket, and it's verifying location. We are at the correct location. So basically it says that there are item 28, 28 is actually the docket, and we have to pick up 2 of the SOP 11, 2 of the SOP 7, and 2 of the SOP 9. So far we read 0 out of 2 for all of these items. Okay, so we start with the scanning. Of course, in real life we're not gonna have like all the tags like this together. They're gonna be like far apart. But for this training, I'm just gonna put them here because it's just easy for me to show with the camera. So we just hit the trigger scanner to scan. Right? Most of the times, again, because the items are not in one location, we just keep scanning and walking around to make sure we got the whole reading. Right? So we got a set of colors in our screen. As you can see, we got like 3 different colors. What green means is that we were looking to have 2 out of 2, like 2 of the SOP 11, which means that's good. We got them like complete. However, SOP 7, we were expecting to have 2, but we only scanned 1. And then the orange means these items are extra items. So SOP 9, we were meant to have only 2, but we scanned 4. And then these other 2 items, we were meant to have 0, but there are 3. So there is many situations here. With the green, we don't need to worry about because it's all sorted. However, with the red, it means that we are missing an item that was in this docket. So basically, SOP 7, we were meant to have like 2. We have only 1. So in further videos, I'm going to be showing you what to do in that sort of situation when you get raw red or oranges, how to search for the items, if you find them, what to do with them, or how to remove items that were not meant to be in that docket. That's it for this video. For other instructions on how to use the tracking system, watch our series of training videos. Thanks for watching.